Alright, maple syrup update. We started this cook at what, 4:30 yesterday? 4:30ish yesterday. It's yesterday afternoon. It is now 11:15 on the following day. Today, obviously. And we are still going. There's, what do you think, 55 or 60 gallons in there, boiling away.
It was 340.
We got, you can't really see, it's right about there. Got about 20 gallons or so left in the big tank, and Dad brought over some earlier. So we figure by the time we're done, we will have cooked somewhere around 340 gallons of sap on this run. So this is going to be our largest run, looking at 5.5 or 6 gallons of maple syrup when we're done. So, but as you can see, that is some really dark stuff. Really, really dark. Camera one's talking up. Well, we got a fire rolling, and we're going along, and hoping to have it done sometime tomorrow morning. Hopefully.
Somewhere between midnight and sunrise.
Yeah, sometime around maybe a 48-hour, 36-hour window. Yep, either way.
You're done. Get her done.